This is a forecast for when we land, so that could be fun.
Scary.
And also, we've got Mr. Happy to look forward to, the taxi driver. Wouldn't be surprised if he's gone. Then what do we do? Good morning. Right, we're here at our hotel room at Manchester Airport.
Yep.
Today, we're going to be flying to North Africa, to Tangier.
Woohoo!
Yeah, never been there, have we?
No.
No. So yeah, we'll get moving. Go and get us a taxi, and we'll bring you back when we're at the airport terminal. Oh, yeah. Just remembered, this is a forecast for when we land in Tangier. So that could be fun.
Scary.
What you done? Thank you. I think you set the alarm off, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Only again.
I need to get out. Terminal 3.
Ryanair's not Terminal 1, Ryanair's Terminal 3, mate.
Yeah, Terminal 3. Thank you very much. Hey, bye-bye to the last bit of water. Thank you. Well, that's first time ever we've just been to go through security and we're too early, aren't we?
Too early.
So we've got nearly an hour to wait.
Yawnsville.
Yeah, oh well. Right. Do a bit of editing. Right, get back on with this. Right, let's go and give it another go. Second time lucky. Yeah, so we finally made it through to the other side. Wasn't without its hassle, as usual.
The usual.
But Laura's enjoying it, as ever. The whole flying process.
It's just tedious and boring.
She gets very mardy. So yeah, it's just a waiting game now. Yeah, wait for the gate to come up.
As your flight is now fully boarded, ready to depart, and you will be offloaded.
It's just come up as final call, so just went instantly to final call. So as ever, it's a last minute rush. I think our problem is we've been looking at the app, haven't we? Rather than watching the Ryanair app, which was just saying awaiting gate or pending gate, then all of a sudden it just comes up as final call. Yeah, so that moral of that story is don't go on the Ryanair app and trust what it says on there.
Boarding now.
Yeah.
Final call. Missing.
Back to Sheffield. Oh. What a rush.
What a rush. Made it though.
We made it. And also, whilst we were sat waiting, my phone started ringing with a WhatsApp call from Morocco, so I answered it. Well, I thought my headphones were connected to my phone, but they weren't. They were connected to my tablet. So I tried to talk, and it was the guy who was meeting us to pick us up in the taxi for our transfer to our apartment, and he didn't seem very happy.
Not happy?
Because I couldn't hear him. Made it.
Made it.
We're trying to service flight 364 Manchester Tangiers.
lighting, connecting to electronic cigarettes. In the seat toilet, one on the front and two on the rear, and clear with a small detector. Very shortly, we will start the inspection.
Right, so I'd forgotten that I'd brought along this new mic to try out.
Testing.
Saw Steve Marsh using it, so thought if it's good enough for him, it's got to be pretty good. So I thought we'd give it a whirl.
Yeah.
So yeah, for these sort of situations like this, and on the train when it's difficult, when there's a lot of background noise.
Very noisy.
Yeah. So we're up in the air. They've just said it's going to be 2 hours 55 flight time to Tangier. So yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. So like I said earlier, the weather's looking iffy at best. Lightning and strong winds, so it could be an interesting. It could be, yeah. So we've got that to look forward to, and also we've got Mr. Happy to look forward to, the taxi driver. So hopefully he'll have warmed up by then, and things will go smoothly. But we'll hopefully bring you that in a bit, and you can see what happens for yourselves. We managed to sneak a quick whiskey in, didn't we, at the airport?
St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah. Jameson's, yeah. So. Sticking with the theme of anyway, see you in a bit.
See ya.
Right, once again, one of our videos isn't one of our videos without a whiskey review.
No.
So somebody's bouncing about in front of us, so if the camera's bouncing about, I'm sorry.
Mr. Bounce.
So I'll let Laura explain the whiskey that we've got.
We've got Teeling, small batch Irish whiskey.
Rum cask.
Yeah, sorry.
So we're going to do our usual. Have a sniff, have a taste, let you know what we think,
Rum cask.
and give our scores out of 10. Quite sweet on the nose. What are you getting?
You're loving that little microphone, aren't you?
Yeah. Right, let's give it a taste. That's nice, isn't it, that?
Nice. We had to go for Irish whiskey, didn't we?
Oh yeah,
The theme of
St. Patrick's Day today.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
I'm not sure if we've mentioned that, I think we have.
We have. It's very tropical fruit, isn't it? Yeah. Pineapple.
Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah, I get that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, passion fruit. Right, so enough of the waffle. Let's
Yeah,
just get on with the scores.
We just twaddle.
I'm going to give it a 7.5. What's your score?
I feel like I'm on camera.
You are on camera.
Yeah, I would probably give it a 7.
A 7? Yeah. Not bad at all. You can see Spain. Bit bouncy, isn't it? Bit bouncy. Down anyway.
Wow. Oh,
Very exciting.
incredible. That's the bounciest, choppiest we've ever had.
Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.
What nice temperature is that?
I know, lovely, isn't it?
Oh, nice.
Nice and mild.
Yeah, it's not hot. Woohoo!
Right, so here we are.
Here we are.
Arrived in Tangier. So let's go and see if Mr. Happy's waiting for us. God knows how long it's going to take to get through passport control here. Wouldn't be surprised if he's gone. Then what do we do?
No.
27 quid down the Swanee. Oh, we have palm trees.
From England, yes?
Yes, England.
Which city?
Sheffield.
Yeah, Sheffield.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't all the team of what Sheffield Wednesday.
Yeah, Sheffield
Yeah,
Wednesday.
She's Wednesday fan.
Yay! That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you follow football?
Yes.
Yeah, brilliant. Who's your team then? Who's your favourite team?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid, right, yeah.
Boulevard Paris, ماما جبرت اجيب Boulevard Paris.
Ah, there they are.
Ah, there it is, yeah. Brilliant.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
See ya. Bye. Bye. Cheers. Thank you.
Here goes.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that for a room.
How beautiful.
Right, so we'll start in the lounge area. Right, and bear in mind, this was £35 a night.
£35.
35 quid.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, out onto the street. So yeah, lovely big lounge.
Oh my goodness.
Then through into the bedroom area. Look at the size of that. That's one of the biggest beds I've ever seen. Little kitchenette area here. Microwave.
Oh Lord,
4 bottles of water in there.
that's so kind.
Little cutlery and plates. Glasses, kettle. And then let's have a nosy at the bathroom. Well, shower room. That's all we need. Look at that in here. Lovely.
Wow, we've got 2 TVs.
Got 2 TVs.
One for the bed. Oh, the shower. Hairdryer.
Hairdryer.
Decent. You don't need that.
No. Yeah, so first impressions of the place is it's just incredible. £35 a night.
Thumbs up.
£35 a night.
Can't get over it.
Can't believe it. So yeah, there is a reason that we've travelled to Tangier, and that will become apparent in the next video. So if you've made it all this way through to the end of this video, well done.
Yeah, well done.
We really appreciate it.
We do yabble on.
If you've enjoyed it, give it a nice big thumbs up.
Yeah.
And if you're not already subscribed, possibly even consider subscribing too, for more of this kind of stuff,
Yeah.
and other stuff as well. On that note, thank you so much for watching,
Thank you.
and we'll hopefully see you next time.
See you next time.
See ya.